Okay, good morning, class. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. So, is it out? Thank you, ma'am. Who among you remember the lesson yesterday? Ma'am. Yes. The lesson yesterday is about the solar system. The solar system. And what is it is in the solar system? Yes, solar system, yes. Sun. Sun. Okay. Third. Moon. Sun, moon, what other things? Stars. Stars, yes. Planets, planets. Okay, sun, moon, planets, stars. And today we will have the story of the sun, the moon, and the stars. How would you like it? Hey, energy, energy, where's the energy? Yes, sun, moon, and the stars. Okay. Do you want to know the story of the sun, moon, and the stars? Yes. Okay. I want you to know you understand the criteria, class? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay, now let's start. Find your group now. Okay, but before that, I will present to you first our criteria. Okay? Our criteria would be...
Cut.
Okay, but before that, I will present to you first our criteria. Okay? Our criteria would be, first, delivery. How you deliver the topic. The content. Have you understand well the content? And the third one is the sequence.
Ako lagi sa bag.
Nindot yung ginigagi si Abigail.
Secretary.
Hindi akong ganahan sa iyo.
Secretary.
Tapos. Tama na. Tama na tayo. Tayo na ito explain.
Explain niya.
Ayaw yun.
The moon insisted that the God believed, then the sun insisted that it must be full. If it is not, they will separate.
Two.
Okay, class, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yan na lang. Yan, lagay teacher.
Tapos na po, teacher.
Okay, arrange your chairs and hold all the
the sun instructed the moon to cook some gabi leaves. Then the moon insisted.
That's a two.
So, well, this is the graphic organizers of the group 1. So, this is the output. So, before I give you the story, this is the summary. So, the sun instructed the moon to cook some gabi leaves. So, the moon insisted that the gabi leaves will not sink. So, the sun insisted also that if it is not hindi pa siya mapuno, or else maghiwalay sila, they will get separated. So the moon will nalungkot siya. And then habang then the sun got arrived, then the moon ginawa niya lahat. Ginawa niya lahat. Then habang dumating mga ilang oras, dumating si sun, he asked her wife if the gabi leaves will cook. Then the moon replied, "Sun, I'm sorry. The gabi leaves will not sink." So the sun disappointed. Then the sun, they will get quarreled, and then the moon, then the sun, ginawin niya si moon. Then the moon, sinabi niya kay sun na iwan niya yung mga bata kay sun. And then si sun, nagalit pa siya niya si sun na hindi mo pwede iwan sa akin yung mga bata kasi too much can die for their children. And then the moon, hindi din pwede iwan sa kanila ang kanilang anak kasi ang moon, too much cold can die. So, umalis si moon. And then, nang umalis si moon, pinatay ni the sun killed their children and became stars. Hinapon niya dun sa window. And then the story became why they are stars at night. That's all.
1.
Okay, group 2 now. It's your time. I'm the representative of the group 2. So this is our output. So the story is sun requested moon to cook some gabi leaves. So sun insisted that the pot must be full. And then the moon was very sad. She went to her vegetable garden to gather some gabi leaves. So but the pot was not full. So hindi napuno yung pot. So when sun came around, so nahanap niya yung isang pot ng gabi leaves. So when the sun came home, he immediately asked the moon for the pot of gabi. So the pot was not full. He became very angry and scolded the moon severely. So the couple got quarreled.